You know, I said in a recent video that it sure would be nice if I had some sort of controller to help control and use all the different cameras that I have in my setup now that I've been doing product reviews and things like that on. Well, ask and you shall receive, because the folks over at PTZ Optics have sent me this guy right here. This is their Super Joy, and it is a camera controller. But that's not all that it does. I will end up doing a full review of this product, of course, but today we are going to dive in, unbox, and see everything that comes in the package on this. What's up everyone, Game Dad here, and as I said, we are going to be unboxing the PTZ Optics Superjoy, and a huge thank you to the folks over at PTZ Optics for sending me this Superjoy to be able to check out, incorporate it into the setup, and see how all it operates. But let's just dive in and see everything that comes in the box for this. First, on the outside of the box, I mean, you got a picture of what the Superjoy is. You got some more pictures of it. And some other pictures. You got the weight of it, 2.6 kilograms. I don't know what that is in freedom units. But then you also have some of the stuff that it does. Serial, IP, 3D joystick, HDMI, custom buttons, PoE, all that stuff. So let's crack this thing open. We lift the lid and we are greeted with a user manual. No, a quick start guide and a quality control pass sticker. Here, let's see real quick. What all comes in a quick start guide for this? I mean, it is quick. That is one sheet. Tells how to power it, how to connect cameras, add cameras, control cameras, and additional info. This is the PT Superjoy G1. So, what else we got in here? We have, this looks like some sort of grounding wire. Huh, okay. Then we have a 232 to an 8-pin DIN connector right there. So this is a serial connector. That way you can run from the Superjoy to a PTZ Optics camera, or any kind of camera with serial. Let's see, inside of this box, what do we got? Lots of different power options. So we have multi-region power, and then of course we have the little AC adapter. And there, I don't know what power that is. Let's get that out of there, and let's change that to this one. Here we go. This is the one I know. There. Now we can plug that in. Nice. That is a small little power thing for that. Okay, we'll put all of these back in really quick because don't need those. And let's take this off. Ooh, what do we got here? Oh, it's heavy. Okay, let's take those out. Let's unbag this. Oh, look at that thing. Ooh, look at all the buttons and knobs and whirligigs. And it has a peel. Let's see. Oh yeah, yeah, that's nice. I like a good peel. Now let's see, what all do we have on here? We have our joystick, and it also, ooh, that's nice. It's got a twist to it as well, or a rotation. So you have your pan, you have your tilt, you have different angles and stuff of that, and then you also have wide angle and telescopic. Very nice. And you have a button, I'm assuming for some sort of menu option or something. Then over here we have a few different options. Let's see, reset, RB gain, one push trigger, white balance cycle, backlight exposure cycle. These right here, let's see. Ooh, yeah, they have stops in them, so you can feel each click that you're doing. And then, yep, they are buttons as well. So we have our red gain, blue gain. We have iris shutter gain, our autofocus lock, autofocus unlock, and autofocus. Then right here, what do we have? Ooh, okay, we have little knobs for zooming. Ooh, and they are spring loaded. That's nice. So we turn those, and they go back. So this is wide and tele for zoom, and then this is near and far for focus. That's nice. Are they buttons? Nope, they are not buttons. Then right here, let's see, we can adjust the tilt speed up and down, the pan up and down, the zoom up and down, the focus up and down, and then we have preset speed down, preset speed up. We have inquire and setup buttons. I do not know what any of these do, really. I mean, the ones that say focus and stuff, I get it, but I get to learn all of this. Then we have 4 custom presets. We have HDMI output because this has, yeah, an HDMI out port on it so that you can actually hook this up to a screen and kind of get a live feed of what's going on with your cameras. OSD on and off, that's your on-screen display. Enter, OSD back, camera groups. I heard you could set up tons of different groups and presets with this. Let's see, ID, home, set, call, basic mode, matrix mode. You have a full number pad here with full letters, everything for, I guess, if you're typing things out. You have a 6 camera control setup. You have an escape key, enter key. You have all kinds of goodies on this. Now, this thing is like, it is beefy. Like, honestly, this thing has got some weight to it. That's surprising. Again, I don't know what 2.6 kilograms is, but yeah, it feels solid, and it's like, it's solid metal. It does not feel like this is hollowed out or anything, or just a shell to make it look pretty. It feels very, very premium. All the controls feel very nice on it, and wow, that's awesome. And then on the back we have power, we have the input for power. It says right here, do not combine DC with PoE. Okay, so this controller can be powered off of PoE as well. Yeah, it's got the NDI right there, or you can run it just off of regular power. It's got its HDMI out, it's got USB to be able to connect things. It's got that RS-232 for the connections there. And then it's got this guy right here. This is the RS-422. This is for longer cable runs, from what I understand. So I'm not gonna have any super long ones. I will probably never use this, but for testing, I'm definitely going to use this RS-232, and I'm definitely going to be using the NDI LAN on there. So, wow, yeah. This thing is awesome. I can't wait to learn how to use everything on this. I mean, oh, listen to these buttons. That's nice. I like a good click. Ooh, and even the joystick has a nice click. And this feels very, very nice. I wonder, do they do Hall effect on things like this? I don't know if that matters on something. Is there stick drift on video controllers? Huh, I don't know. But this feels very premium. This feels very nice. And I can't wait to dive in and start figuring this thing out. And I mean, hey, this thing, it comes with everything you need to be able to run your camera setup, except for, of course, you know, a camera. But this can control multiple cameras. One operator controlling everything, setting groups. That way, if you want certain cameras to do certain things, you can do that with this. And I've been told that you can even set up like custom positioning for cameras. You can hit your group button for that, and it will rearrange everything where it needs to go, like that. Oh, I can't wait to play with that. This is awesome. So again, a huge thanks to the folks over at PTZ Optics. This is just a quick unboxing video. There will be more videos and footage on using this guy, but I couldn't wait. I wanted to film a video unboxing it so I could share it with all of you and give you my initial impressions, which are, wow, this thing is super professional looking. I mean, that's because it is super professional and it doesn't break the bank. Well, it's expensive, but it's not as expensive as those gigantic boards that cost, you know, tens of thousands of dollars or something like that. I believe this is $800, but for what it can do and for the price of something comparable, wow. Yeah, I can't wait to dive in on this. So again, thank you to PTZ Optics for sending this out for me to be able to share with all of you. And if you like this video and you want to check out another recent video, then check out this area right here. As always, I'm GameDad. I thank you all for watching. I will catch you later. I'm going to go play with this now. Bye.